In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone flash while unlocked. So if your iPhone screen is locked, just like this, and you are trying to unlock the device, either using your passcode or Face ID, the iPhone will flash LED lights to indicate that the iPhone is unlocked. To do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Audio and Visual. Once you click that, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on LED flash for alert. Make sure this feature is first turned on. That is LED flash for alert has to be turned on. Once that is turned on, then locate flash while unlocked and turn on this. Control LED flash for alert when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. So whether your iPhone is silent or the device is unlocked at this point, the LED flashlight will pop so that you'll be notified that your phone is either unlocked or there is an incoming call or text message on your device. So if you found this really helpful, you want to level now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.